Let's make some really cute pine cone Christmas trees using this Rust-Oleum Color Shift spray paint. In a well-ventilated area, you're going to want to add a black base coat to all of the pine cones. Just continue using light, even strokes until all the pine cones are covered completely. Allow them to dry at this point before the next step. Now choose any color of the Color Shift spray paints. I chose the champagne pink and the turquoise waters and apply that in light, even strokes. You're going to want to add at least 2 to 4 coats of each color. To make the star, I grabbed these Dollar Tree candles. They were the only stars I could find that were the right size. And I'm going to take these candles and snip the little stick off as well as the wick. And if you don't already subscribe to my channel, I would super appreciate if you did and hit that notification bell so that you can be informed every single one of these videos that comes out. All right, this is the last set of these. I went ahead and used 6 of them, and then I wasn't in love with the color, so I went ahead and added some gold wax to these just to kind of give them a pop of gold, and they looked more like a Christmas tree star. And I coated each one on all the sides, the front, and the back. Now to add them to the pine cones, I put a little dot of hot glue on there. It was a little delicate because it is wax and it wanted to just melt, but I stuck it to the pine cone and held it in place for a few seconds, and that seemed to do the trick. After I added all of the stars to all of the pine cones, I went back and took a little dot of hot glue here and there on each of the pine cone, petals, and added these little sparkly red berries. I thought the sparkly red berries were a super cute pop of color for these pine cones, just to make them look like they were Christmas trees that were decorated with red ball ornaments. And this did the trick perfectly. Now you could get super creative with these and add whatever embellishments you want to make them look like really cute Christmas trees. I thought about bows and garlands and sequins, all the things. You can get creative. So this is how they turned out. I absolutely love the way this little pinecone Christmas tree crafts just pop off of the platter here. I've got the champagne pink in the background with the turquoise waters up front. They all have their little gold stars and the red berries, just to kind of give them the pop of festive holiday cheer that will be sure to light up any corner in your space. If you like videos like these, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel, and I will put another playlist here for you guys to check out even more holiday inspiration.